5 seconds. Start. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this case before you today is one of significant legal importance. It involves the plaintiff Mr. Rajesh Verma and the defendant Mr. Anjali Mehra in a civil matter regarding an alleged breach of contract and failure to deliver services as agreed upon. Your role is to consider the evidence, listen to the testimony, and determine the truth based on facts and the law as instructed by this honorable court. According to the plaint filed before the court, Mr. Rajesh Verma entered into a legally binding agreement with Miss Anjali Mehra on 5th January 2024. The contract involved the interior design and custom furniture supply for Mr. Verma's newly constructed house in Indiranagar, Bengaluru. The deliver and installation of all furnishing were expected no later than 30th March 2024. However, Mr. Verma contends that the furniture was not delivered on time and that the few items that did arrive were of interior quality and not in accordance with the specifications outlined in the return agreement. Mr. Verma alleges that the delay and substandard service caused him considerable financial loss as he had already scheduled a housewarming function and incurred additional expenses in arranging alternate furnishings. He is seeking compensation for the full contract value along with damages totaling rupees 12 lakh 50,000. The plaintiff's advocate argues that the agreement was detailed, accepted by both parties, and the numerous written communications exist that emphasize the importance of the timeline and the specific product quality agreed upon. On the other hand, Ms. Mehra, the defendant, strongly denies any breach of contract. She states that the delays were caused by uncontrollable external factors such as raw material shortages, transport strikes, and a fire incident at a local supplier's warehouse, which she claims were duly communicated to Mr. Verma. Furthermore, she contends that the agreement contained a clause allowing deadline extensions under force majeure conditions and that she acted in good faith throughout the contract's duration. During the initial proceedings, affidavits were submitted by both parties. The court reviewed several pieces of documentary evidence, including WhatsApp messages, email chains, payment receipts, site inspection reports, and photographs of the delivered furniture. Key witnesses were examined in court, including the defendant's project supervisor, Mr. Samir Nayak, and the lead carpenter, Mr. Abdul Rafiq, and an independent chartered accountant, CA Pooja Kulkarni, who audited the financial transactions related to the project. Under cross examination, Mr. Nayak confirmed that there were delays in material procurement but insisted these delays were industry wide due to government imposed transport restrictions. He also produced communication logs where He had informed the plaintiff in mid February about the likely extension in the delivery schedule. Mr. Rafiq testified that certain imported materials like Italian laminates were unavailable and local alternatives were used, which may have impacted the finish.